Hey everybody, so you need to remove the door on your Model Y Juniper for several different reasons, especially when you're installing a lot of different mods. And I'm going to show you how to do that real fast. You're only going to need a few tools. It's actually really simple. The number one thing you're going to need a T30 Torx wrench. So that's the tip that's on the end of this one. TX30, you're going to need that. You're going to need a trim tool. You're going to need one of these. It's not required, but highly recommended to have a bag of some sort, an inflatable bag, to help you pop the door off. Otherwise, getting it off is going to be quite the challenge. Outside of that, you will need something to put the door on, depending on the install that you're doing. I have a bench over here that I'm going to use, and I'm going to lay the door on that. Feel free to use a 5-gallon bucket. That works really well as well. And that's about it. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we have our T30 Torx wrench and a trim tool. There are exactly 3 screws that we have to remove off of this door. One is located under here where the release button is at. The second one is located just up underneath where the windows are at, where there's a little light that you can see coming in here. It's located right here. That's another T30. They're pretty easy to get out. But the third is the most important one, and it's the one that's hidden the best, which is located right here. And what we're going to do, we're going to take our trim tool, and you definitely want to use a trim tool for this because you don't want to damage your upholstery. And you're going to put your trim tool in there, and we're going to pop it out. There we go. If you look very closely right here, you'll see that the reflector has an up label on it. So when we go back to reinstall it, you should have this thing pointed upward. So be sure to pay attention to that. Once you get the reflector off, you'll see another screw located right here. So we're going to go ahead and take that one off. There we go. So from here, there's a couple of different ways to do this. You just got to put it in between the pegs, and that's going to pop this door off. The pegs are located here, here, about right here, here, and all the way around the door. So here's what we want to do. We want to slide this in between the pegs, where I believe the pegs are at. And you want to get by the pegs. There we go. You see how this slides freely in between here? That's how I know I'm in between the pegs. And so now I just want to inflate this. And we'll know we have it inflated enough when you start to hear things go pop. Start. Or to be more accurate, you'll know you've inflated enough when you've given enough gap so that you can get your fingers in there and actually pull it, and you can pop the pegs out. We got it. So that was the first peg. Now we can pull, and then from here, we're just going to pull the door. We're going to pull at certain points straight out. Got some more pegs up here. Oh man, that's tough. Pegs should be out. If you look real closely, you can see the white pegs in the door there. Okay, so we have the pegs released from the door. Now we want to lift this door up. There's a little lip that's going to be on here. And the speaker here also has a little bit of a hook on it. So we got to lift the whole thing up, and then we're just going to lie it down onto the bench, and that's how we take it off. So let's see, if everything's been disconnected properly, we should be able to just lift up There it goes. There's the hook. And you can see, here's the hook that the speaker was on, and that's what we have to hook on. You see this shelf right here? This is what hooks into the door. So make sure this hooks in, and there's a hook on the speaker. Now, as you can see, as I pull this down, there's some wires that are attached to the door. So this is the reason you have to be really careful when you're taking the door off. Like I said, I have a bench under here right now, and we just lie down just like that. And now the whole door is down. And that's all there is to it. Now from here, we just disconnect the wiring that we need to work on the door, and that's all there is to it. That's the end of the door removal. Okay, so the door is disconnected. Now we gotta reinstall the door. Here's how we do it. You notice we have all the pins all around the door. First and foremost, make sure those are lined up. But before we get to that step, first, we have to hang the door on the side of the door properly, both in terms of where the window sets and where that speaker is located at. Now you can disconnect the speaker if you want to. It just pulls out of the top of the door, but you've got to hang it on the hook properly. So we're gonna pick this up. Make sure you don't pull on the wires. There, we're okay. And we want to go up. And we want to hang on the door. There's a lip. This is the track here, and this is the hook for the speaker here. I try to position the speaker in place first, but there's a groove that the door goes into, and it hooks into first. And what you want to do, you want to angle the door first so that it fits into this, so that it goes down into the groove. All right, let's see if I can get the rest of this. There we go. All right, the door is hooked in. The mistake a lot of folks make with this, after they get it hooked on, they just start going banging away at the door. Don't do that. Look for the pegs on the side of the door first, and you should line them up such that they line up with the female holes. That's one down. I already heard it. And there we go. It's pegged back on, minus one peg. Where you go? See, I didn't even press in on the door. It just sat there on its own, and it just wasn't in the female hole properly, and it broke. Don't do that. Just make it easier for next time. I know I have to go back into this door later, and if I hear any rattles, I'll know where it's coming from. From here, you're just gonna reinstall your screws. So we're just gonna put it back in. And under here. There we go, just like that, the door's back on.